Poor Johnny's heart went pity-pity-pat somewhere in sunny France. He met a girl by chance with the naughty, naughty glance. She looked just like a kitty-kitty cat. She loved to dance and play. Though he learned no French, when he left the trench, he knew well enough to say, "Oui, oui, Marie, will you do this for me? Oui, oui, Marie, then I'll do that for you. I love your eyes, they make me feel so spoony. You'll drive me loony, you're teasing me. Why can't we parlez-vous like other sweethearts do? I want a kiss or two from a chérie. Oui, oui, Marie, if you'll do this for me, then I'll do that for you. Oui, oui, Marie." They walked along the boulevard, he whispered, "You for me. Someday in gay Paris, I will make you marry me." Just then a bunch of bully boys threw kisses on the sly. Marie got wise when they rolled their eyes, they sang as they passed her by. "Oui, oui, Marie, will you do this for me? Oui, oui, Marie, then I'll do that for you. I love your eyes, they make me feel so spoony. You'll drive me loony, you're teasing me. Why can't we parlez-vous like other sweethearts do? I want a kiss or two from a chérie. Oui, oui, Marie, if you'll do this for me, then I'll do that for you. Oui, oui, Marie, oui, oui, Marie, will you do this